Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course share this video. So you guys, Musa Khawula stood up for Jackie Pamotse, who was just found guilty by the courts 2 days ago for defaming Basetsana Khumalo's husband Romeo Khumalo. Jackie's tweet about Romeo Khumalo being into boys landed her into serious trouble, and Basi decided to sue her. Now, Musa Khawula says Jackie Pamotse was not wrong at all and that Romeo is indeed allegedly into guys. So Musa Khawula is one hell of a fearful kind of a blogger to publicly say that Romeo is, into that kind of activities. Well, Inemurolong decided to keep her mouth shut because, according to her, she does not have money and she doesn't want to get sued. That's really a good move on her side. So, up next, I'll just insert the live. But before I do that, you guys, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I'll definitely see you on my next one. Here's the live video.
Oh, that bitch! You never been before. Friends, something Kardashian. They used to call themselves something Kardashian. They were friends, and I'm talking Twitter 2012 Twitter when none of them was having a meltdown and the whatnot.
Yes. I saw you were also, Nagato was bringing up those tweets to me.
Yeah, because I've been around, bitch. That shit comes from there. That Karabo and this Kardashian, he used to call himself, I'll remember his name as I continue to tell the story and the whatnot. And that's when I would say Jackie was aware of this story. This is even before Jackie's books. The Bear, when it came, I think it came like 2014, 2015. That was later. But the shit that Jackie is talking about is, if you've been around enough, you would know it comes from 2011, 2012.
Yeah.
Hence, in my head, Jackie is not lying. She may have failed to prove it in the court, but bitch, everybody knows. Well, the gays would know. If you're as old as I am, you would know. Jackie didn't lie about Romeo because it was open knowledge. It's just that, obviously, it wasn't well recorded till Jackie came out and made money out of it and did is not the worst thing that could happen to you.
Okay.
And why would you go through so much length to prove that if that fucking Basetsana had, well, she did whatever she did, but for her to see to it for long 5 years, 5 years is not a child's play. There is, for me, in my head, there's an element of truth in there. Whether it's blurred, whether it's not, you get letters all the time. Like, I'm making an example, because I get letters all the time. Or I'm suing your ass for $1 million on the bucket page, whatever. But at that, at the amount of letters that you've gotten, how many people have seen to it that you go to court for 10 years?
0.
Because there's an element of truth, and Basetsana will do everything else to protect. Bitch, you know what she say? She's like, oh, I ain't slept for the past 5 years. I've been anything. She's like, oh, I've been overstressed. I couldn't function at one little gay rumor. Because that's the only thing that Jackie alleged, if we say.
I just want to
Yeah, that's the only thing Jackie alleged, bitch. And Basetsana was like, you know what? How dare you talk about my husband when I know the truth, and when everybody knows that she and the husband, they've been having them 3somes, Moss. It's one. Because that's not a lie. That's not a lie. And I suppose when they do, you kind of have to be high to do that, isn't it? And now you're gonna want to go, Jackie. Fucking put me in that fucking. You know, Jackie is called the movie or whatever. It's coming. I am hoping for Dear Life that it's on Netflix. There's auditions where Tintin